Hi, grade 5 and 6 students. This is Paul, your music teacher. Um, we're going to be learning about a song from Ghana today. So, first of all, we're going to look at where Ghana is. So, we're going to look at a map of Africa. So, this is Africa. Um, it is a very big continent. You can see all the countries there. If you look over on the west coast, that is where Ghana is. So the music from West Africa is very different to the music of North Africa and East Africa. So Ghana is one of the most sophisticated places for music in West Africa. So they've been making music there for a very, very long time. The music from Ghana is really important in the history of world music because of all of the slaves that were brought from West Africa to Latin America. So Latin America is like Brazil, Cuba, Colombia, places like that, and North America as well. So the United States. So music from the black people from West Africa ended up becoming blues and rock and roll and jazz in the United States, and a lot of the instrumentation like that we use in the classroom at school, the claves and shakers and guiros and things like that, they're all kind of related to the music that African people brought to Cuba and Brazil and places in Latin America too. So while we're on that note, let's have a look at some of the instruments from Ghana. So this is a Google image search of the instruments from Ghana. So you can probably recognize some of these as being instruments that we have in the classroom at school. So we have this one. This is a shekere or an aksatse. It's the one that's like a pumpkin and it's covered in shells and you shake it. There is also this, the cowbells. So this is called gankogwe in Ghana. It's got different names all over West Africa. And then we've got drums, and there's some other instruments there too that you can probably recognize from seeing around before. Okay, this song is a song from the Gaa people. So the people that are called Gaa, so they're like a tribe called the Gaa people. It's spelled G-A. And they're a group of people in Ghana that have their own language and they have their own type of music. So this is them. Let's have a look at a video of what these people look like and the type of music that they play. All right, here's the video. Okay, we're going to look at the song now. So the song is called Kaa Fo. I'll tell you what all of the words mean later. It's not important right now. We're going to listen to it right now. The first time when you listen to this song, I want you to listen to the claps. So there's hand claps in here. The claps are on the off beats. So they're not on the beat. They're going on the off beat. So I want you to try and listen to them first. They're pretty easy to hear. But then it's a very short song. By the end of the song, see if you can listen to it and clap at the same time. All right, this is the song.
Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shako, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan.
All right, this time I want you to listen for another instrument in here. This instrument is called Kiawah. Kiawah. It's a metal instrument. It sounds like a cowbell. This is what it looks like. So you can see here, it's quite a small instrument. I'm pretty sure you play it like have it over your finger, and you hit the other piece of metal with it. Yeah, so listen for the Kiawah. All right, we're going to listen to it one more time.
Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan.
All right now I want you to pause this video. Well, not right now. Once I tell you what you're going to do, I want you to pause the video. I want you to look around your house and see if you can find something metal and heavy that you're going to hit. So you're going to find something metal and heavy. So maybe a saucepan if you can't find anything else. A really good thing to use is like a hoe head. So a hoe head is just Google, do an image search for what a hoe head is, or ask your parents or ask someone in your house. It's something that you use for gardening. So that's ideal. That's the ideal thing, because that's what they use in Haiti and parts of Africa for music. Otherwise, just a saucepan will be fine, and a wooden spoon. So something to hit it with, a wooden spoon. So pause the video now and go and find something metal. All right, you're back. Hopefully you went and got something metal. This time I'm going to get you to try and play along with the Kiawah. All right, so here is the video. It is playing right now.
Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shako, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan. Shika kepo yodan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwadan.
Now I'm going to teach you how to sing this song. So it's, to be totally honest, this is a really fun song to sing. When I learnt it, I just wanted to sing it over and over again. I don't know why. There's something about the way the words come out of your mouth. It's just a really fun song to sing. So the words are, I'm going to say them slowly. It goes like Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwa dan. Shika ke koyo dan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwa dan. And if you can't pick that up straight away, that doesn't matter. These are the words. So the words are quite strange. The words say, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry and let anybody see inside your mouth. There is gold in your mouth. Don't cry and let anybody see your mouth. Even more unusually, this is actually apparently a lullaby song from Ghana. So it makes it even more like unusual. So this obviously doesn't sound like a European lullaby. It's much faster. But basically, I guess it's saying, it's kind of telling the baby not to cry because if the baby's crying or the small child is crying, people will see that there's gold in their mouth and they'll try and get it. Okay, so I'm going to get you to sing it now. I'm going to sing one line at a time and you're going to echo it after me. So the words should be coming up in the screen. I'm going to edit it so that the words come up on the screen to help you out, all right? So this is the first line. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo. You sing it. Kaa Fo ni moko kwa dan. Shika ke koyo dan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwa dan. All right, let's do that again. So if you're unclear about that, this is an echo. I'm going to sing it and then you echo after me. All right, ready? Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo. Kaa Fo ni moko kwa dan. Shika ke koyo dan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwa dan. All right. Let's try that together. All right. I'm going to sing it. Let's try that 3 times in a row. All right. I'm going to do it 3 times in a row. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwa dan. Shika ke koyo dan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwa dan. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwa dan. Shika ke koyo dan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwa dan. Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo, Kaa Fo ni moko kwa dan. Shika ke koyo dan. Kaa Fo ni moko kwa dan. That is the song. I'm going to post the link to the original YouTube video for this, so if you just want to try and sing it with that. I also want you to try and do the Kiawah part while you're singing. See if you can do it at the same time. So the Kiawah is that metal instrument, so hopefully you went and got something to do that with. And then try and sing it and do the clapping off beats at the same time. So that's quite a lot of material. You can sing this to somebody in your house and they'll go, what are you singing about? I don't understand that. And then you can actually tell them that it means don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry and let anybody see your mouth. There is gold in your mouth. Don't cry and let anybody see your mouth. And that's it for the music lesson from Ghana for this week. Okay. Stay safe, everybody. See ya.